Hi guys, so we took our GoPro to the pool and we did an experiment video, and basically we just took it underwater and showed it. And so yeah, okay, yeah, right there we just got there and I was basically in the baby pool. It was so warm, and then because I didn't know what else to do, here I am jumping. The diving board, it's so cool because we got the high dive, and like I used GoPro and I love the sound of like the water, and so it was so cool. Except it would have been nicer if I didn't hold my nose, but I have to. So there I go again. I tried to get different angles. Like I had to try to I wanted to try hold it in front, but then I always changed to my face because it was weird. And then I do my face, but I don't know. I don't really know. Okay, yeah. And then here before we decided to go to the pool, I rode my moped, and we attached the GoPro to it. And like right here, it showed like me just going forward. Oh, and there's me where you see my face because
This is awesome.
it's really cool to see it because it goes like 15 miles per hour. And I was about going that fast, so it was really cool. And I'm going down. Yeah. It's cool. Here we go, we're turning back. Yeah, it was really cool because he put it on my motorcycle and attached it, but it was kind of hard to work the brakes though. But it was fine. Turn back in the driveway. And then, as you see, there was my brother, We're going back underwater. And then, yeah, some I didn't really know what I was doing, but it would have been, here we go, this was slow-mo. That's cool. So it's like it's really shaky, but, yeah. I tried to experiment, but I have to hold my nose underwater, so it was pretty hard. Here we go. I like the high dive better, except it kind of shocks you. There was me turning it on. Here we go. I love to have the little bubbles, except it's hard to see people underwater because of the little bubbles. And then my rockin' goggles. And my rockin' hair. Yeah, I did it all out. And my rockin' bathing suit. I did some crazy. Here we go again. It's pretty cool. Leaving the house. Oh, that's really fast. I believe I did it. Oh, and there's a different angle. You can see the GoPro. So cool. There's me. It takes a while to get used to, so at one point I was all over the place, but it was pretty good because not a lot of people come back and forth, so I liked it. Oh, that car. There was a lot of gravel that day. Here we go. What am I gonna do? See, I was right there, I was all over the place. Here we go, return back. Here you go. Oh, about to run. Here we go. I'm turning in. That GoPro's cool. And we're finished with the mopeds. Here we go. And then I was going under there. I wasn't in the board area. I was just swimming. My hair's cool. It's cool to see your hair underwater. There we go, time board, except there's a big splash. You look so funny. Here we go, come back up. Psst. Here we go, What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I wonder what I'm gonna do. I don't think it's... Did did I just do? Oh, and there's Ender Dragon. I came up there to the pool. I'm trying to get him. Oh, I don't know what just happened there. What? Oh, so it's like sideways. Oh, I think I like dropped it. Oh, that looks cool though. I was waving high. Oh, and then I did my backflip because Ender Dragon likes to hold it more, so I did my backflip. And then I let Ender Dragon do something. Oh. Oh, we were having a race. Yeah. We were having a race to see who could go. I was swimming. He was walking because he didn't have his goggles. Oh, he won. Well. Okay, are we ready? Let's see who wins. Oh, he just dipped his face underwater. That's so... Here we go. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh, I think I'm trying to tell him to put it underwater. Ready? Oh, I was trying to like have my face underwater, but it didn't really work. What is that angle? Oh, I think I don't know. Oh, slow-mo to end it. Oh, that's cool. Well, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Give this big thumbs up, and we will see you next time.